Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to adjust or resize your screen record size in OBS Studio. So the first thing that I want to recommend that you do is to ensure that you have the correct resolution set for the specific screen that you're using. And to do that, you want to go ahead and ensure that you have the correct scene set selected on the left hand side and then click on settings. Now, under the settings section, click on video, and here you want to ensure that you have the right base resolution set for that current monitor. So if you're using multiple monitors, then you want to ensure that the one that is selected for has the right aspect ratio and the right base resolution. So there can be option for 4K monitors, and you want to go ahead and ensure that you set that. If you select that and you go back to the home section, then you want to ensure that you have the correct base set. And as you can see right here, that the screen that is currently selected is for 4K, but it is super wide, and so if you try to adjust it right here, it's going to cut out. So to solve that, you have to ensure that you have the correct aspect ratio and resolution set under video, which is why I recommend that you first check the base resolution and set the one that actually fits for the monitor that you're currently using. So in this case, I select the base here and leave the output scale resolution to adjust to whatever the default one that comes with it. Click on apply, then click OK. Then from here, you want to look to the home section here in the OBS Studio here, and you have this entire block section. So first, just put it to the upper left to ensure that it fits nicely on the left hand side. And then from here, take the lower right hand side and just drag it till it snaps right in like that to cover the entire screen. And now you can go ahead and start your recording, and once you start recording, you can be assured that it's going to capture the entire screen and everything will be fine. And that's pretty much it, guys.